Today, we're going to review some face masks sent to me from Basecamp here on Chip Builds. So let's check it out. Now, before I do the review, I do want to say that Basecamp did send me these masks for free to review, but this review is my own honest opinion, and I'm honestly just going to tell you whether I like them or not. With the pandemic going on, it's kind of a crazy world, and I have tons of different masks that I've tried. Some I like, some I don't like. The one thing I'm really excited about to try is Basecamp. Their face masks have a metal prong that can go over your nose, and I typically wear glasses, and so the last entire year I haven't worn my glasses out and about because I always hated that my mask would have my glasses fog up. So I'm really excited to test these out while actually wearing my glasses and being able to see far away. So let's open these up and see what's inside. The Basecamp M Plus dust mask comes with the 3 face masks, comes with 6 of the carbon filters and 3 pairs of the replaceable sealed valve caps. Now the package of the Basecamp C14 cloth face mask comes with 3 different colors, which comes with blue, green, and black, and it also comes with some extra rubber stoppers to go around your ears to make sure that it's the correct fit to your face. I decided to try my face mask out at Hobby Lobby, and it did a great job of not fogging up my glasses. I was super excited. And then I went to Home Depot a few days later, and again I wore my mask, and it felt really comfortable to my face, and I love the adjustable ears because I was able to get it to sit perfectly on my face and it wasn't uncomfortable. So one of the things that Basecamp advertises on their website is that these masks are to be used for like when you're riding your bike or riding scooters, skateboards, or whatever outside to help keep the dust out of your face. So I thought that'd be fun to go try out. I don't have a bike or anything, but I do have a skateboard that I've made in the past, which you can go check out that video over here, somewhere up at the top. So I'll put this on and then we can go check it out. So while I was wearing this while riding my skateboard, I didn't feel uncomfortable at all, and it was kind of nice. It kept my face warm so I didn't get any kind of wind chill. It was a sunny day, but there was a light breeze, so it was kind of chilly outside, and it did a really good job of just blocking the dust from going into my face and like the pollen and everything, and it just felt good on my face, and it didn't fog up my sunglasses, which is always a plus. So I tested out the dust mask while working on this Etsy order, just sanding it down, and it actually worked out pretty well. I was kind of surprised. There was a lot of dust in the air. I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but it did a pretty good job of protecting my lungs from those tiny, tiny dust particles. So these dust masks also come with this kind of strap that you can put over your head to relieve any kind of tension that you could feel from your ears when these go around. For me, when I was wearing this, I didn't feel any issues with my ears, and I do have like really small ears, so I didn't really ever use the strap. I like tested it out a couple times and it was fine, but for me there's no need for it. So that is the thing that comes with these masks though, so keep that in mind. So if you need that, and if you typically have sore ears from wearing masks, it could just be that my ears are just used to it because I've gone a year basically wearing a mask for 8 hours a day every day at work. So who knows, that could be it. So do I like these masks? Well, honestly, I do. These were given to me for free, so that's always nice. But however, I've been using these for a couple weeks now, and for the everyday mask, I actually really like them a lot. I've been able to wear my glasses with them without fogging up, which is really nice, and that's one of the main reasons why I like this mask specifically. And they're just, you know, they look kind of cool. I like the colors that it came with, and I gave one to my sister and my dad, and they've been using them and they like them as well. My dad wears glasses, so as well he really enjoyed that they weren't fogging up, so that was good. So yes, I like these everyday masks a lot. Now for these dust masks, I've used them for woodworking, and I just did a test skateboarding with it, and it was totally fine. For everyday like kind of outdoor activities, I think these are perfect. I would totally wear these to keep the wind out of your face, and then obviously keep the COVID germs out of your face because nobody wants that. I think these are really great for that, and that's something in the past I've never even thought about, is having a mask for skateboarding outside and stuff. So that was really cool, and I think I'll definitely use this in the future. For the woodworking side, these were fine when I was sanding. You know, I totally have faith in these filters that it's going to block out the small dust particles, and these are kind of a very similar setup to the RZ dust mask that a lot of woodworkers use. So I'll probably be using these a little less often when woodworking, but just when I need something, a quick setup, and I don't feel like wearing the full respirator. For me, I definitely will use the respirator more for woodworking if I'm going to do like a ton of woodworking, sanding and stuff for hours at a time. But if I'm just sanding something really quick, I'm definitely just going to use the Basecamp mask for that. So overall, I really like these a lot, and if you're interested in buying them, I'll link their website below. I don't get any kind of kickback from that or anything. This was just my pure honest review of these. So thanks so much, Basecamp, for sending these out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more content, and let me know in the comments down below if you like this video or not. See ya!